Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn action words. Let's start. Walk. The boy is walking slowly. Jump. The boy is jumping high. Run. The boy is running fast. Clap. Clap your hands together. Dance. The girl is dancing happily. Push. Push the box. Pull. Pull the rope. Swim. The boy is swimming. Sleep. The baby is sleeping. Write. The girl is writing. Climb. The boy is climbing. Hop. The bunny is hopping. Wave goodbye. Bye kids. Sit on the chair. Stand up straight. Eat. The boy is eating an apple. Drink. The girl is drinking juice. Read. The boy is reading a book. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Kick the football. Laugh. Laugh with friends. Cry. The baby is crying. Sing. The girl is singing.
Come on everybody,
Goodbye.
let's dance
Bye,
and play.
kids.
Feel the music, it's a happy day.
Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Bye kids. Like और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.